Stop losing money. Use OANDA's tools to trade smarter and protect your profits. Start with real-time charts, economic calendars, and automated risk management. Set stop losses, trailing stops, and position sizing rules to cut losses fast. Watch live P&L overlays and margin indicators to avoid surprises. Combine alerts and demo testing to refine strategies without real risk. Now, let's see these tools in action with two quick trade examples. Example 1. Eurist long after a breakout with a tight stop loss. We calculate position size to risk 1% of the account and set stops. When price reverses, the stop triggers and losses are limited, capital preserved. Example 2. Use a trailing stop on a winning trade to lock gains automatically. Try OANDA's demo, customize alerts, and review performance charts to improve. Sign up or try a demo today and stop losing money. Trade smarter with OANDA.